Namaste everyone. So, Lakshya asked me one question that how to be focused amidst distractions. I uploaded a video where I asked each one of you to post your question so that I can help you with. So the question was, how to be focused amidst all the distractions we live in the world where we are exposed to distractions every single second, every single moment. I remember right now in the morning itself, I was working on some stuff. I was writing the content for this video and I was analyzing few things. You know what happened? I was just sitting, I was thinking, and there was nice ideas and thoughts which I was writing over there. And you know what? Then phone rang. There are a few notifications from our favorite person, the call and everything. And at that moment, I took a pause and I had a look that should I attend that call? Should I read that message at that point of time and leave my work which I'm doing right now? I was aware at that point of time. I asked that question to myself. What should I do at that moment? Let me know. What would you have done? Because this is the daily thing. Every single day, something or the other we keep on doing, and notifications keeps on popping on all the time. We receive calls, messages, and even that is about the phone, but people coming and telling us, let's go have fun with me and let's go play, and every single thing when we are in the middle of our work. And it's just about the external distractions of the phone, of the people. What about the internal distractions? Sometimes we sit and we write something, but suddenly in our head, oh, I want to eat something of different sort, or I want to enjoy, I want to watch some video, or suddenly we don't feel like doing anything without any reason. The work is important. The exam is going to be there next day. You remember that time? Next day we have our exam, and we sit there in the night and we read random stuffs, watch random videos, and we play, we eat. So these all are the things we want to avoid to do that task. Now, why all these things are happening? You know what? Our mind, the mind is something which craves for something new every single second. It needs to be trained. Our own mind can become our biggest enemy or the biggest friend. Our own mind, which has turned against us and became our biggest enemy. We are living in the world of constant distractions every single second. There was a research in California that stated that whensoever you are doing any work, I'm creating this video right now, I'm sharing, I'm recording things I'm doing, and suddenly somebody from back is gonna come and will tell me that Pragya, do something. So I'm going to take 23 minutes 3 seconds more to come back to that work. Let me make you understand this. According to that research in California, we take almost 23 minutes and 3 seconds when we switch to any work to come back to that work or to continue with that same focus. Can you imagine when we sit for studying or doing our work, we keep on switching things. We just do that work with very little productivity and efficiency, and that's why we think that, oh, that work is taking a lot of time. It is taking a lot of time because we are distracted at so many point of time, and when we come back we lose focus, and we try to do, and the whole mental energy is there into coming back to that focus again, and the time is gone. That is what is happening with all of us. Now let's understand together that how can we come out of those distractions and be more focused in this present moment. Now I have a question for each one of you. How you handle that distraction, how you focus again and again. Please let me know in the comment section, and let me share what I practice. Generally what happens when I study for writing anything or any content or studying my books or anything, what I do, You can see in this present moment, in this time, we have all the ebooks and stuffs, everything in our phone itself. And at the same time, we have social media and other entertainment things as well in our phone itself. Now, what I do is, because notifications keeps on popping on all the time, so we don't have the choice. So I put on flight mode. Yeah, we cannot switch off, because if we want to study, because I need to study on that, my phone only, ebooks and stuff. So I put it on flight mode. Now what happens? I'm free from all the distractions of notifications, of even any call. For suppose I want to study any book or anything for 2 to 3 hours. So I just put it on flight mode for all those 3 hours and I just focus. So that is one of the ways which you can practice. And the second way, just experiment it today. After this video, just go and experiment. If any notification pops in, just pause. Just pause, just stop. And just observe your mind. What is your mind telling? Is it telling you to go and just check it? What is your mind telling? Just pause and ask yourself this question. And adding on to that, one more thing. Just do one more thing. Just keep your eyes closed and take one normal deep breath in and hold and let go. Take one more normal deep breath in, hold and let go, and practice more such 4 to 5 rounds in that stillness and see the magic. You are back into the moment and back to the work. Back to the work. So practice this breathing at that moment and give some pause. Give that time to your mind and recharge back with the deep breathing. And the next point is meditate. Practice meditation. Just practice. Every research, every scientific study is saying that thing, that there are such powerful meditation practices which can increase your efficiency, which can increase your brain power, concentration, focus. Practice every single day. Make that a habit and see the magic flowing in your life. That's how powerful meditation practice is. Go check it out. Check out the research studies and scientific studies about meditation. If we have that tool, use that tool. And last thing, seems very cliche, but it is so very powerful. Plan your day ahead. In the morning, plan your day, or even the night before, plan your day. What is those things which you are going to do in this daytime? Because someone has rightly said that if you are not planning, you are planning for failure. So if we are not planning, we have already planned for failure. So just don't hesitate. Plan your day. Plan your day. Ask yourself, what are those top priorities? What are those things which I would love to accomplish today? Which I would love to give my time? Because every single day has so much of opportunities to offer, and we all have 24 hours every single day. But what makes the people who have created something substantial in their life and other people who do not do anything? That is the difference. They plan it, they work on it, they execute, and that's why they live ahead of the time, and they are called visionaries. And you all are. If you are watching this video till this point, my dear, you are a visionary. You have that drive to learn more, to execute more. So you will get it done. And if you have any question, any query, just write it down in the comment section and I will be creating the video for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's together create a wave of positivity across the globe. And just subscribe to this channel and share this message across the globe. I'm with you on this journey. Bye bye. Lots of love.